In this video, I will show you how to buy Telegram members. Post views, reactions, and bot starts for your Telegram channel or group. And it's not just Telegram. You can also buy followers and subscribers for YouTube, Facebook, Instagram, TikTok, Twitter, and many more platforms. So without further ado, let's get started. Before we begin, you first need to register on YTBot using my referral link. I have left the link in the description below, so just copy and open it. I have been using this website for a long time, and it has proven to be reliable. I have made several deposits here over the years, and I still use it today. Once you have successfully registered and logged into your account, go to Select Social Media Platform and click on it. Here, you will see a list of social media platforms available on the website. You can purchase followers, subscribers, views, and other services for platforms such as YouTube, Instagram, TikTok, Facebook, X, Telegram, and many more. Before placing an order, we first need to add funds to our YTBot account. Click Menu and then Deposit Funds. As I mentioned earlier, I already have a deposit history on this website, so there is nothing to worry about. Next, go to Select Payment Method. Here you will find several payment options, including Binance Pay, Cryptomus, Heleket, credit debit cards, Apple Pay, Google Pay, and many others. Choose whichever payment method is most convenient for you. For this tutorial, I will use Binance Pay. Important: if you are using Binance Pay, send your payment to the Binance Pay ID provided by the website. The accepted token is USDT. After making the payment, enter your Binance transaction ID and the amount you sent. The funds will be added automatically to your account within 2 to 5 minutes. Copy the Binance Pay ID from the website and open your Binance app. Tap Assets, then Funding. Since my funding wallet is empty, I will first transfer funds from my Spot wallet. Go back to Spot, tap Transfer, select USDT, and enter the amount. For this example, I will send only $1. One of the best things about this website is its low minimum deposit requirement and 0 transaction fees. Tap Confirm and you should receive a message saying, "Transfer successful." This means we have successfully transferred 1 USDT from the Spot wallet to the funding wallet. Now go back to Funding, tap Send. Then select Send to Binance User, choose Binance ID, paste the Binance Pay ID you copied earlier, and tap Continue. Enter the amount, which is $1 in this example, then tap Continue and Confirm. Enter the verification code from your Google Authenticator app and tap Submit. Once completed, you should receive a Payment Successful message. Copy the order ID and return to the website. Paste it into the Binance Order ID field, enter the amount sent, and click Deposit Funds. You should see a confirmation message indicating that your deposit was successfully submitted. Wait around 2 to 5 minutes, then refresh the page if necessary. If prompted with Confirm Form Resubmission, simply click Continue. Go back to Menu, and you should now see that the funds have been added to your account balance. Next, click New Order and go to Select Social Media Platform. For this tutorial, I will choose Telegram. Under Filter by Platform Type, you will find different Telegram services available, including Telegram members, post, views, reactions, and bot starts. For this video, I will focus on Telegram members. Feel free to explore the other services on your own. Click Telegram members, then go to Choose Category. There are several categories available, but for this example, I will select the standard Telegram members category. Next, go to Choose Service. Prices are displayed per 1,000 members. Choose the service that best fits your needs. I will select the first option, which is marked as recommended and includes a 30-day refill guarantee with a delivery speed of up to 29,000 members per day. Now enter your Telegram group or channel link. Open Telegram, go to the group or channel where you want to add members. Copy the link, then return to the website and paste it into the link field. After that, enter the quantity. For demonstration purposes, I will purchase 100 Telegram members. Click Order Now. Wait a few seconds while the order is being processed. Once completed, you should receive an Order Successfully Received message. You can now check your Telegram group or channel to see whether the members have started arriving. In my case, after a few minutes, the members were successfully delivered. As you can see, the service is still working. You can also earn money using this website by reselling followers, subscribers, views, or Telegram members for various social media platforms such as YouTube, Instagram, TikTok, Facebook, X, Telegram, and more. That's all for this video. If you found this video helpful, please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to my YouTube channel for more informative videos. Thank you for watching, and see you in the next one.